6. Now it's
1931 to 1935. I guess the Hoover Dam has a better ring to it than the Roosevelt Dam or the Franklin Dam.
Well, one thing about not going to the gift shop is maybe we can find Hoover Dam souvenirs cheaper someplace else. You know, sometimes how they gouge you the price. So, I mean, it's a site that, you know, Nevada is known for. So, the tourist attraction.
Well, at least you're on the safe side when driving, you know what I mean? For,
This isn't bumpy.
yeah, the clip.
Yeah, this isn't bumpy.
Oh yeah, the state line goes right through the center of the river.
Yeah, center of the dam. I bet you a lot of people stand in the street taking pictures if I removed that. Arizona, if you look at old video movies, see Arizona, Nevada, but a lot of people that do that.
Cool.
There might have been a line out on that bridge or one.
I wonder how many phones have been dropped off that thing.
I wonder how they keep their phones from overheating.
Probably a little quicker.
Do you think they have like cooling pads?
Ice cube. I don't know. And I'm looking at the map right now. There really is nothing in Arizona.
except
Or
the
not
grain.
Arizona, Nevada.
So does this just take me out? Does this just take me out to
Yes,
that bridge?
it can take you out and then you hang a right.
Look at Lookout Point up there. That's cool.
Yep. Well,
That bunker.
yes, you will come. No, one second. Let me do a little more.
No, Mom will come out and turn right. I can see it on the map.
Zoom in. It's not that simple. Zoom in.
Keep going.
There's a T junction you'll come across. We might be stuck heading. Nope. Stay on Kingman Wash access.
So, you gotta go over there.
No, we're fine.
I can't go anywhere, Deborah.
Oh yeah, then turn around. Oh, is it closed?
Yeah.
The map doesn't show that. Never mind. Head back and then yeah, I'm on it.
It says it's closed.
Oh no.
We're fine.
It's closed.
Yes, I understand. It is indeed closed. Just turn the other way, and then we just go back.
The same way we came in.
I guess we have
Well,
no.
honey, that's what I was gonna do.
Oh.
I was trying to go over the bridge, and I'm like, it's closed. And then
Oh,
you
like-
yell at me.
Because you kept saying it's closed. I'm like, yeah, I meant to say.
It's
Yeah,
closed
just go.
here, and it's closed over there. Wow. How wow.
I thought.
Did you want to get a picture over here?
No.
I thought you
Jeff,
weren't.
do you want to get a
Am
picture
I
over
being
here?
ignored?
Here's gifts, you guys.
Oh.
Are they open?
Close at 5. No, they're not open.